Okay, my first attempt over here on a binary search in the left-hand window produced a procedure, and I don't want it to be a procedure. I want it to be a function. In fact, I want it to look a lot like this. So I'm actually going to take out these statements here, and I'm going to paste those below here. I need to dedent those. So I'm just tidying up. And what we'll end up with is something that you may sort of be able to recognize and see the difference between the normal way of doing a binary search and the recursive way. So we're going to have to do the same here because we are trying to return the value found. And so I need to actually return the value found in my program. There we go, because I set found to false at the start of the program. If I found the item I was looking for, then I changed found to true. If I didn't, I just kept moving the endpoints, and if it didn't change it to true, I'm going to return that found value at the end of the loop. That is going to capture the result, and then we're going to print it out on the screen. So now these two things work the same way. They're both functions now. That was a procedure. It's now a function because it's got a return value, but they both just do one job. All they're looking for is telling me whether we've found an item in our array or whether we haven't. So if I run this side, so let's save it, run it, just do a quick check to make sure it's working. So looking for the value 1 at the moment, it says item not found. That is great. So let's look for a value that's in the list, 2, and run that again, just to make sure it's functioning properly. Item found, fantastic, job done. So now these two programs are doing the same thing in the same way. In other words, we're printing out after we've done all of the hard work in our functions, and they are both now functions. And I think you can see that the when I said elegant, is that the actual recursive one is fewer lines of code than the one that used the while loop. Now I'm still not satisfied with this, with either of them, because all it's doing is telling me whether an item is in the list. It's not telling me where it is in the list, so I can't actually print it out and say, yes, you found 18 at position, not 1, 2, 3, 4, at position 5. And I want to be able to do that. So in the next video, I'm going to modify both of these programs to do just that.